Welcome to Little Known Black History Facts. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Shindana Toy Company. For the people, by the people. During the late 19th and early 20th century, many mass-produced black dolls were stereotypical, caricature-like, and expressed racist undertones. Even in the 1910s, early civil rights activists like Marcus Garvey and R.H. Boyd were pushing back against these stereotypes. Boyd started his National Negro Doll Company in 1911, importing elegant black porcelain dolls from European doll makers and selling them in the United States, before his firm went out of business in 1915. Between 1919 and 1922, Marcus Garvey launched his Black Star line, a steamship company that helped found several other black-owned businesses, including a black doll manufacturer. Many of these porcelain dolls had European features painted in brown or beige paint. But it was Shindana Toys that helped change the paradigm, forever changing the toy industry. Shindana Toys stands alone as the largest black-owned and operated toy company in the world. In 1968, just before the holiday season, the Shindana Toy Factory released its first doll. This introduction to the market would be the start of something game-changing for the toy industry, the black doll market, and it would have a tremendous impact on the community in South Central Los Angeles. In the years that follow, the Shindana Toy Factory would go on to become the largest manufacturer of black dolls and toys. It would be credited as the first company to mass-produce ethnically correct black dolls. The company's unequivocal success exposed a long-standing demand for ethnically correct black dolls that authentically reflected the features, hair, and skin color of black people, a demographic that had long gone unheeded by the mainstream market. It wasn't the first to attempt the introduction of authentic black dolls, but it was by far the most successful. Shindana Toy Factory, a black-owned company located in South Los Angeles, rose out of the black community and black experience. It was a community-driven effort that was an extension of Operation Bootstrap, a nonprofit organization founded by two activists in the aftermath of the Watts riots, Lewis Smith and Robert Hall. Operation Bootstrap was formed as a response to a neighborhood in distress. The two men were determined to facilitate social and economic change through community engagement and individual empowerment. The organization refashioned the rebellious chant of "Burn, Baby, Burn" to fit the community center's mantra of "Learn, Baby, Learn" and "Earn, Baby, Earn." Its mission was economic development by training men and women for a range of employment opportunities. They wished to fortify the self-esteem of black children, but their efforts employed a dual mission of also providing an economic opportunity for an ignored black community in South Central Los Angeles. Mattel helped finance and secure funds for their early vision, giving Smith and Hall an insider's view of the production process. It also provided technical assistance and equipment with no strings attached, as an expression of the company's commitment to its social responsibility in the Los Angeles community. This would later prove invaluable as Smith and Hall worked to ensure the integrity and authenticity of their products. Shindana is a Swahili word meaning to compete. Shindana Toys was dedicated to making toys that reflect black pride, black talent, and most of all, black enterprise. A goal of the company was to raise black consciousness and improve self-image. Education played a major role in the creation of the Shindana toy line. Shindana refused to make military figures. Shindana manufactured several male figures and dolls made in the likeness of both male and female black celebrities, but never a military figure. Their first doll, Baby Nancy, entered the marketplace in 1968, in time for the holiday season. She was born in the midst of the Black Power, Black capitalism, the civil rights, and the Black arts movement. Shindana's product and business model could definitely be viewed as an assemblage of political influences, but its singular mission was to serve the community. Many of its staff, artists, and personnel were African American, and the company utilized this information in some of their advertising, asserting their claim to authenticity. Baby Nancy was designed by an African American who took great pains to ensure that the early face molds retained their Afrocentric features. The first Baby Nancy had straight pigtails with curls, but Shindana quickly shifted to a soft Afro style in keeping with the political trends of the times. This was groundbreaking, as most black dolls at that time were not crafted with natural hair. Over time, Shindana slowly added to their collection with their Tamu dolls, celebrity dolls, career dolls, and action figures for boys. By the mid-1970s, they had sales of $1.5 million, employed roughly 70 people, and a product line that grew to 32 dolls and 6 games, becoming the largest producer of black dolls and toys. They produced a line of cloth dolls called Cuddly Little Souls, with natural hair and positive phrases printed on their clothing. Shindana expanded their market to include dolls for older girls, such as their fashion doll, Career Wanda, which came with career-related accessories. Their super agent Slade was produced to include boys in their selection. They also took advantage of their proximity to Hollywood and the growing representation of African Americans in the media with a line of popular celebrity dolls. Later, they would include Afrocentric board games and other toys. As Shindana grew, their distribution grew both nationally and globally, all anchored by its central manufacturing in South Central Los Angeles. Its success highlighted the potential of an ignored ethnic doll market, and its process offered a blueprint to authenticity, impacting the toy industry in a lasting way. In 1983, Shindana ceased production. It lost its visionaries with the death of Robert Hall in 1973 and Lewis Smith in 1976. It continued under the leadership of other bootstrap members but faced rising competition from mainstream companies who, due to Shindana's success, turned their attention to the ethnic doll market. Today, the dolls are more popular in collectors' markets. What's often remembered of the Shindana Toy Factory are the dolls and the company's impact in shaping how the toy industry engages with the ethnic market. Equally significant was its impact on the community, shifting a narrative of blighted and disadvantaged to one of resource, productivity, and beauty. Mr. Smith and Mr. Hall's legacy lives on through their remarkable ethnically correct Shindana dolls. Today, Career Girl Wanda and Slade Super Agent continue to command astronomical final bid amounts on online auction sites. Until next time, if you like little-known history facts as I do, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell to be notified of future uploads. Thank you for watching.